Welcome to section 2 of command line interface. That's the basics of command line interface. This time around, we'll be talking about navigating commands or different commands that can be used for navigating. We already said one is pwd, that's to know where we are. Like it's going to print the working directory. In other words, it's going to print the directory. Now, there is another one which is cd. cd means change directory. So when you press cd, okay, he said when we printed working directory, let's check what was there. These are the documents. When it's blue like this, you know that is a folder. It's just like an ordinary file. Then these are folders. Let's use ls-la. Let's see everything about this file. Now, the D here represents directory. Now, this is like the size. This drwxr-xr, then -x, they all have their meanings for the different permissions this current user has. Now, the D here represents directory. Now, like I said, you can have like read, write, executable, and likes of them. You can always change the permission. You can always change the permission. That's using command chmod. But we'll take it step by step. Okay, like I said, this is for the permissions that can be performed on these files or folders or the likes of them. You can notice that all these ones that are blue, they're actually directories. That's like folders. That's what I mean. Good. So now that we have this, we can always go to any of the folders. If you want to go to any of the folders, just use CD, then you go to that folder that you want to go. So we have CD, then we know that downloads the folder. Go to downloads, press enter, then you are good. You're already in downloads folder. Now, if you want to, okay, let's proceed. Let's what's in download. We have Boniface. Let's enter Boniface. CD, then Boniface. You're already in Boniface folder. So you can print working directory to see. You can see that you're already in Boniface folder. If you want to go back, what you have to do is cd space dot. Okay, you press cd dot, you press enter. It's going to take you back one step. So let's see where we are. pwd. You can see we've already moved a step backward. Look at the previous one. Home Kali downloads Boniface. But this time around, what do we have? Home Kali downloads, right? We're already in the downloads folder. Now, what if we want to go back home? Let's assume we want to go back home. It's not going to make sense to just be pressing cd space dot cd space dot. There is something we can press that should just take us back home straight away. Now I'm looking for the, it's meant to be something like, I'm looking for the stuff on my screen. Sorry about this. Okay, now I've seen it. So you have cd space this. It's taking you back. Now let's check out where we are. Okay. So basically it's meant to take you back home. It's meant to take you back home. Okay, moving further, let me try it again. Okay. So if you want to press the command that you used before, you can press your arrow key, press it up. You are going to see those commands that you used before. So when I pressed, then ls. Okay, good. So after that, I'm not trying to tell you how you can use cd. That's cd. That's what I mean by cd. The change directory command. Let's talk about file operation command. That's a command that you can use to do so many things. So say you want to move, you want to copy a file from one place to another. You can let's copy that. Let's go to that Boniface.